If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Degoo, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions to take. Step 1. Open the Degoo app. Launch the Degoo application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your files and transfers. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once you are in the app, look for the Transfers section. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard, where you can view all your ongoing and completed transfers. Step 3. Locate the pending transfer. In the Transfers section, find the pending transfer you wish to cancel. It should be clearly marked as pending or in progress. Step 4. Select the transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the cancel option and select it. Confirm your decision if prompted, and the pending transfer will be cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel any pending transfer on Degoo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Degoo's customer support for further assistance.